This video is about my book, Abstract Expressionism and Botanical Designs by artist Trisha Jacobs. I will be comparing printing with the Epson printer and the KDP print from Amazon. The left side was printed with the Epson printer and the right side was printed in the Amazon KDP book. This was printed with the Epson printer, and this is the book. This page was printed with the Epson printer, and this is the printed book. As you can see, the pages are shiny in the book, and they are matte from the printer. This was printed with the Epson printer. It's a matte finish. It's on plain copy paper, and this was printed in the book, and it is shiny. Your results will vary depending on what kind of paper and printer you use. I just wanted to show you what I did at home. Thank you for watching.